As a serve team, chances are you're going to need to hit some drop shots to get to the non-volley zone and eliminate the return team's positional advantage. So how do you hit this difficult shot and stay consistent? Today, I've got 3 tips to help you do just that. And you know what? If you stick around to the end, we've got a bonus tip just for you. Woo! Woo! Today, I am joined by Stacy, Alicia, and Bob, and we are going to teach you how to be more consistent with your drop shot. Tip number 1, it doesn't have to be perfect, but it does have to clear the net. Players get so caught up in hitting the perfect drop shot that they start trying to skim the net. And the more that you skim the net, the greater your chance of bringing the net into play and missing the shot. If you notice, as the ladies are hitting this shot, they're trying to hit this very low over the net. And while there are some shots that are landing in, the majority of these shots are not getting over. Ask yourself this question: would you rather give Bob a smash, or would you rather hit it into the net? Well, of course you want to give Bob the smash because you still have the ability to defend the smash. When it's in the net, the point's over. Consistency tip number 2. You want to make sure that you are giving yourself enough arc over the net. That shot needs to have shape to the shot. That way it is a less attackable shot. Drop shot consistency tip number 3. Hit the third shot to the moving player. The player who's at the non-volley zone is ready for the shot. The player who's hitting the return is moving to the non-volley zone line. And even if they get to the non-volley zone line, they are still getting settled, and there's a chance that they may make a mistake. Hitting the shot to the moving player will help you to be more consistent. Bonus tip. When you're hitting the third shot, your grip pressure needs to be light. You're trying to hit a touch shot. So if you looked at your grip on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the hardest, hold the paddle as hard as you can, decrease that pressure by half, and decrease it by half again. That's the grip pressure for consistency on a drop shot. There's your bonus tip. If you have questions on this video, put it down in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer them. I'd like to thank the Tampa crew. Thank you all so much. All right, I'd like to thank them for helping me to shoot this video. Now, if you want to be more consistent with your third shot drops, you need to take just one of these tips with you to the court the next time you play and apply it there. If you need a little help with your third shot technique, make sure you click on the video right over here on the side, and you'll learn a little bit more about your technique. Because together, we can train smart, live bold, and age well.